My dear students, today I am going to explain you Heron's formula, which is also known as Hero's formula. This formula is used to find out the area of a triangle, and it is not obligatory, it is not mandatory, it is not necessary that it can be used only in a scaling triangle. It can be used in a right angle triangle, in a scalene triangle, in an isosceles triangle, and in an equilateral triangle. Now, so Heron's formula, for that we have to know what is that. So one term is coming as, and it is representing semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means sum of all three sides, that is a plus b plus c by 2. And here a plus b plus c by 2. This a is a small a, yes, b is a small b, c is a small c. And all these small a, b, c are representing the opposite side of their corresponding angles. Angle is opposite side will be BC, then it will represent small a. Angle B's corresponding side will be AC. It will be representing small b. And angle C's corresponding side will be AB, and it will represent AC. So this is semi-perimeter. And then area will be square root under S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So suppose if I am taking one example, a right angle triangle whose sides are 3, 4, 5. Here 5 is the hypotenuse, 3 and 4 are bases and perpendiculars. So if you are finding the area, then we get 1 by 2 into base into height, and that is equals to 1 by 2 into 3 into 4, and that is equals to 6 cm square. And now if these values we are putting in Heron's formula, then as we are getting 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 2, and that is equals to 6. And then Heron's formula I am applying, and then we get square root under 6 into 3 into 2 into 1. And then by finding the square root we get again 6. So by using Heron's formula also you get 6 square centimeter, and by using half into base into height we get 6 centimeter. So in both the cases it is the same. In the same way for equilateral triangle also you can find out. The answer will be same. So this Heron's formula we can use in any case, whether it is right angled or scalene or isosceles or equilateral. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.